Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another cooking video. I've just come in from work. Deb's on holiday. I've got the kitchen to myself. I'm hungry, so I'm going to make one of my favourites. Tonight I'm going to make cheese, onion and potato pasties. I'm going to use all ready-made ingredients, ready-made potato, ready-made pastry. I've even got some ready-made onions. This is cooking for the lads. No making pastry, all basically assembly work. Anyway, I'll bring the camera in and we'll have a go at making some nice cheese and onion pasties. Don't forget, the video is all about cooking. Don't watch it and then complain there was no engineering in it, because it's going to be all about cooking. Right, before we start, the first thing I'll notice is I've got black gloves on. That's because my hands are dirty because I've been at work all day. I was at a steam rally all weekend and my fingernails are filthy and I don't want to cook with dirty hands. Right, I've got two types of cheese. I've got some Wensleydale and some mature cheddar, because they're the cheeses I like. I've got some instant, but it's not instant, it's ready-made mashed potato, puff pastry and onions. I'll do the onion first. Take the skin off. I'm only wearing a gas mask when I'm doing this because it makes my eyes stream. You can see this knife is super duper sharp. Wants to be reasonably coarse so you can tell that there is onion in the pasty. Right, so we've got one decent sized onion, diced. That goes into the mixing bowl. And it's the skin, we don't want them in. Next is the potato. That goes in. Right, I'm sure you get the idea. Some Wensleydale as well. You can use any sort of cheese you want really, but these are the two cheeses that I particularly like. This is a crumbly cheese. Right. I put it on a bigger bowl. It now needs a good mixing. Now I would normally use the Makita to mix this, but unfortunately the battery's flat, so I just have to use the second blow to make me warm. Now's a good time to throw these flavourings in, or you can put it to what you want in really. I'm just going to put some salt and black pepper in. Worcester sauce is quite nice. You can put mustard in. Right, next we've got the puff pastry. It comes on greaseproof paper, which I can actually use that to cook on. And the least you handle this, the better it actually performs. I'm just going to make square pasties. It's pointless. I'll cut it in half that way. Being careful not to go through the paper. So I'm going to get 4 pasties out of each. Right, so we've got a decent dollop of filling. Right. Some water and a new acid brush, just to brush around the edges, just to seal it. And that piece simply goes on top of there like that, and the edges are rolled over, crimped together like that, just to seal it. Put some vent holes in. These are put on greaseproof paper, put into a hot oven and cook for about 3/4 of an hour. I'll brush some milk over the top of them before I put them in the oven, and that will help them to go a nice lovely golden brown colour. Right, I've got all the pasties assembled. I'm just going to have a brush with a little bit of milk. This just helps it go a nice golden brown colour. You can use an egg wash as well, but milk does the job. Instead of making 8 pasties, I've just made 4. I'm just going to call these the super pasties. Look like laminated fiberglass this. Make sure the edges are nicely sealed. Right, into a preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonnie-la. And it's absolutely, and this looks and smells absolutely wonderful. And it's just as good as it smells. Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. Right, John, honest opinion on the cheese pasty.
Honest opinion.
Honest opinion.
9 out of 10.
9.
A little bit more seasoning.
Simon?